In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install XP pen driver on Mac. So let's get started. Now, the first step is to uninstall any existing tablet drivers if installed, okay? So before installing a new driver, remove all old tablet drivers, including other brands like Wacom, from your applications, yeah? And then restart your Mac. Now, once that is done, then you obviously have to download the correct driver, okay? And for this, you have to just search up download XP pen drivers, okay? And then you're gonna click on the first link, which is from XP pen. And here you're gonna see many products here. Now you can just go ahead and search for your products right there. And then you can click on, you can also go on the left and you can see driver downloads, choose your product and just go ahead and click on whatever you want. Let's say this one, you can go and click that, but in my case I'm just going to choose this one right here. And here, software and drivers, you can download the one for Mac, okay? So once you click on download, it's going to obviously download a file, and I've already downloaded this right here. Then you have to unzip it, and then you're going to get a DMG file. Now you have to obviously double click on this DMG file, and you have to click on this PKG I mean, and then just click on continue, follow through the steps and install this software, okay? So just click on continue and so on, okay? Now sometimes when you're trying to open this file, there might come an error that it's unable to verify it because it's downloaded from the internet, okay, or some error like that. Now to fix that, you go to system settings, go to privacy and security, and if you scroll all the way down under security, you're gonna see the error right here, and click open anyways, and then you can open this file, yeah, without any issues. Now once you've downloaded the software, then what you have to do is, now this is the very important step, okay, because you have to grant Mac OS permissions. So Mac OS requires you to allow the driver extensive access for pen pressure, cursor control and tablet functions, okay? So just head over to your system settings, then privacy and security, and here in this section, in the accessibility section, and right here in the screen and system audio recordings, what you have to do is you have to click on them, and you have to add the software by clicking on the plus, use password, type in your password right there. You have to add the thing you just downloaded, okay? So you can go to the applications and go ahead and download it and give it the permission, okay? Now once you've given all the permission, what you have to do is you have to restart and test. So make sure you give permission in accessibility and in this area right as well, okay? Screen and system audio recording. So after granting the permissions, you restart your laptop, you reopen the XP pen driver or the control panel, and then obviously it should all work well. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.